the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse Plus.
Clue Zone A.
It's a +1.
Get out of... What are you still doing here?
Minnie's
Toot.
train.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to the clubhouse. Hey, that music sounds pretty.
Sure, pretty stupid.
Oh, let's go see what it is.
Why, it's the clubhouse choo-choo.
Will you stop playing that tiny piano?
One eternity later.
All aboard, everyone.
We're gonna choo-choo boogie.
Choo-choo boogie. I love it.
Choo-choo, choo-choo-choo on down the track. Locomotives in the front, calliopes in back.
We're gonna choo-choo boogie.
Choo-choo boogie.
Choo-choo all day long.
I get it!
Do you see Goofy anywhere?
No, dummy.
Yippee!
Okay. I'll take it back.
Hiya, Mickey! Looky here! I found my skate!
A few moments later.
I just been in this place before. Higher on the street, and I know it's my time to go. Going new.
I'd have been skating forever without your help.
Shoop, shoop, la-di-da-di.
Panic.
This is so humiliating!
One of the calliope pipes broke, but I need all of them to play my song.
Shut up!
So we end our story right where we began.
With this song.